What is going on, everyone? Caveman Crypto here, and today is kind of a unique video because I want to start off talking about this Squishiverse NFT project, which looks super cool. But when I was looking into it, I found out something that was a little bit troubling about this site, and so I wanted to talk about that for a minute. So let's look at it. All right. So here I am on the Squishiverse site, and when I was checking out the different socials, I was clicking through each one, clicked on their Discord server link, and it opened up, to a new Discord server, which it does the kind of stuff you'd expect, right? It has this whole verify thing where you say click on that and verify to verify who you are. But here's where the problem started, because then it took you to some page, not that one. It took you to the Discord verification. So when you get to this page, it does this thing like, okay, verify who you are, and you click on that and it gives you some bogus error saying, oh, the captcha didn't work. Let's find an alternate way to verify you. But this is super shady. It says open, Windows R to open a run dialog, and then copy and paste the code from here into that and run it. Well, the problem with that is that it is actually a PowerShell script that it's running. And it's doing some crazy things, right? It has this base 64 string, it reverses it, and then it creates a URL out of that, and it makes you download whatever that URL is and run it remotely, which is super bad because if you look at it, so it gives you this really encrypted string, and once you unencode it, you get this paste bin URL, which it goes to. And if you go to that paste bin URL, it's this whole application, PowerShell application here that runs. And what this is doing is it downloads a file and executes it. And the file is from this random GitHub account. And when you go there, there is an installer.exe, which that script will run, and it'll probably keep your computer AIDS or worse. So I don't think this is like Squishiverse doing this. I think they got hacked and someone injected something into their site, because they look like a legit NFT project. They have a big social media following. They're doing lots of stuff. They've integrated with Pixels, which is how I found out about them, because they're one of the NFT collections you could purchase that will integrates with the Pixels. And so I think they're legit. I just think that someone injected a bad URL into their Discord link here, and it's taking advantage of them. I have pinged them, not these guys. I pinged Squishiverse and tagged them, and this was yesterday, and they haven't responded yet. I'm not sure what else to do. Maybe I'll try another avenue to get a hold of them to let them know that they have a bad URL on their site. But it's just one of those things that you should be careful about. Even with legit projects, there's still a lot of hacking and a lot of security issues in the crypto universe. So that's it, folks. Just remember, be safe out there. Even with legit projects, bad things can happen. And I was burned by this not too long ago with a game called Thief Arena, which is like a MOBA shooter. It's a great game. The company's legit, the game is legit, everything's legit with it, but one of their Discord mods did get hacked and put out some bad URLs on their official Discord server, which only mods could post to. And I clicked on it, and at the time I knew something was wrong, but I didn't trust my gut feeling, and I fell for it, and I lost some ETH out of it. This time, I at least, trusted my gut, and I was like, there's something really wrong with this. And so luckily I dug into it a little bit more. I'll try to get a hold of Squishiverse and see if they can do something about it. Just remember, guys, be careful out there, stay safe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.